Hello students, today we have discussed the convergence of this integral. Integral is defined as 0 to infinite e to the power minus x square. So evidently we have split it up in this 0 to 1 and 1 to infinite, right? Take this first equation. Firstly we have find integral of this, and second is that. Then the convergence of both gives the convergence of this integrand, right? As we know, this is the integrand which is bounded. This integrand is bounded and range of integration is finite. Okay, if this is that integrand and bounded and range of integration is finite, then integral 0 to 1 e to the power minus x square dx is convergent, right? Now we will have to find out this integral convergence, right? If we find out the integral convergence of this integral, then the sum of the convergence which gives the sum integral of this, the convergence of this integral, right? Now let us define the convergence of this integral. This is, let us take fx equals to e to the power minus x square, right? E to the power minus x square, which is bounded by 2x e to the power minus x square. That means that this is the function and this is the derivative. The function is bounded by derivative for all x is greater than equals to 1. Now let us take gx. Gx is equals to 2x e to the power minus x square. Then integral 1 to infinite gx dx, which is equals to 1 to infinite 2x e to the power minus x square dx. Put x square is equals to t. Then it will become e to the power minus t 1 to infinite dt. Let us define, if it is there the integral's limit is infinite to, then it makes limit t tending to infinite e to the power minus t minus 1, taking the integral of this 1 to infinite. So put the value of this, it is 1 over e minus 1 over e to the power t. When put the limit of this will become 1 over e, which is finite. So this implies that it is convergent. And if it is convergent, then by comparison test, integral of 0 to infinite e to the power minus x square dx is convergent.